In this lecture, we'll look at a few examples. The first one is the one right here. The graph below, this graph, is an example of a periodic function relating to feet and time. The length and then the time. Okay, the horizontal one is the time from 0 to 12 hours to 24 hours. X-axis is time, Y-axis is the length. Now, what is the period in hours? You see, basically this one depends on our observation. You see, from here goes up and then goes down deeply, going back, and then dip it down and then reach to this point. The second one, the pattern is the same. Okay, so that means from 0 to 12, it completes one period. From 12 to 24 is another period. So here it says that in 24 hours, the graph completes 2 periods. Then the period is 2 hours. Okay? Don't say the period is 24 hours. The period has to be the shortest one. Okay? It completes like one circle. And here is another one. Alright? 2 circles. So here then we say the period is 12 hours. That's probably an easy one. The second one is an application of trigonometric functions. Alright? Now, this one says that the temperature in a certain city is modeled by this equation, or this trigonometric function. Okay, the temperature. And where T of x is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit on day x. Okay, for x equals 1, right here, corresponding to January 1st. And x equals 365, corresponding to December 31st. And ask us to use a calculator to estimate the temperature on April 15th. That's day 105. Okay? So that's the easy part. Again, in this case, you just, for April 15th, that's the 105th day. So you plug in x, 105, you plug in here, you then calculate. Okay, so 25 plus 37, and then sine 2 pi over 365, replace x with 105. Okay, 105 minus 101, then you'll get 4. Okay, 105 minus 101, and you will get 4. Okay, and then we will then have 2 pi over 365 times 4. Okay, so then you got to calculate this sine value, and then times 37 here, and then plus 25. Okay, plus 25. When you calculate those things, you want to be a little bit careful. Why did I say that? You do is, this is the graph, so you want to do second quit. Screen is not clean, you may want to clear it. Okay, First of all, you want to do is that make sure your calculator is in correct mode. Here you know the radian is highlighted. That's important. Okay, so you want to make sure that your calculator is in radian mode. Alright, okay, radian is highlighted, so that's in radian mode. You do second quit, and then you can do is input 25 plus 37 times sine 2 pi, that will be 2 times pi divided by 365 times 4, close parenthesis, hit enter. You then have a 27.55 degrees Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so if you want, probably you may put what? F here. Alright, Fahrenheit. Okay, that means the prediction for the temperature on April 15th, the 105th day, is 27.55 degrees. Or it depends on the requirement. You may say that's 28 degrees. Okay, so this one, 2 examples are the applications, but you know, it's actually really not that hard. Okay, please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.